Hi guys, welcome to episode 4. Excuse me, pardon me. A ride with me while I flex. I'm Kara, your driver. Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Today's shift, I've picked up a 3-hour shift from 8:45, 9:45, 10:45, 11 till 11. We're excited. We peed. We have some gas. I don't foresee that we will need gas like that for real. Yeah, it's only 3 hours. But yeah, I'm excited. Stay tuned. I'm gonna start the video right now. Boom. Time for another shift. Let's go. I'm here to play no staying too long. So you should come here. Sit your ass on the stool. It's a special event. Better act like you know who I am. Who I am. This one down. Make you feel like they're comfortable. Try to act nice when you come home. You already knew that. Okay, so I kind of got confused. Here's a mailbox here, and here's another one here, and another one there. But it looked like this one is for that one, and this one is for this one that I'm on, and that one. But I think I'm at the wrong house. I think I'm supposed to deliver to this house over there. But why is your mailbox on that side? Oh, there's a house right there. Okay, that makes sense. Look at this beauty. That's nice. That is so nice. I gotta deliver here. I gotta go. Get off my phone. Okay, deliveries. We're Ross and Rachel on break. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Okay, guys, this is delivery number 7. I'm almost done. Yeah. Got the box in my hand. I'm looking like a real Amazon person. Because I am. I was just kidding. Here, let me take a picture of this thing. Not gonna lie to you, it's brick. Yep. I don't know why my phone decided to do a flip just now, but whatever. It's 39 degrees out here. We are rocking no gloves and a little bit of sweater. Okay, a little bit of sweater. Yeah. Okay. Package number 8. We're going upstairs now. Yeah. What do we have right here? Oh, we got a package. Oh, I gotta take a picture. Hold on.
Avalon Park Circle. Avalon Park Circle. Featuring Avalon Park Circle.
Okay, so because it's cold, here's my dilemma. Listen. Yep. Keep getting zapped. Oh. Let's find it. 114. This house is so beautiful. Sun is hitting just right. It's a nice house, actually. Gotta go. Gotta take a picture of the box. I'm trying to count how many times I get zapped. Look. Pollution at its finest, everybody. Oh. Wow. We're on top of the clouds. Here we go. Ow, jeez. Oh. That was a double. Alright, let's find this package. Jesus. Oh, shocker. Every time. Okay. Oh, thought that was a big foot. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, this is like a freaking adventure. Okay, I'm safe, guys. I am safe. Do its own thing. Who's next? One last package and we're done. Last one. Ow. Jeez. Crazy. Okay, you guys, I just finished my shift. It was good. Not much to it. I finished before 11. It's 10:41 right now. And now we're about to go do the other driving stuff. I started with the big U earlier. Did 2 passengers. And then I got over it. And decided to do some flex for 3 hours, and now I'm about to go to the big L. So that's it for today. Definitely come back for the next video. Love you. Toodles. Gotta go.